The water does what it wants. It doesn't care that you left your cooler on the dock, or that your friend decided to bring a +1. That's why Yamaha invented the all-new DRiVE technology, a whole different way to master the maneuverability of a Yamaha boat, no matter your skill level. With convenient push-button controls right on the wheel, combined with dual paddle controls, DRiVE allows you to move laterally to port, or starboard with ease. Pivot turn functionality permits the boat to rotate on its axis. And dock hold keeps the boat steady against the dock without the need for a cleat or dock line. DRiVE. It's a big step forward, or laterally, for every Yamaha boater.